What do I need to know before installing solar thermal systems? Modular, high-performance flat plate collectors combined with drainback vessels to provide overheat protection are by far the most efficient way to heat water with solar energy for commercial buildings. Ideal for organisations which rely on large amounts of domestic hot water, a commercial solar thermal system is capable of offsetting at least 30% of the annual energy demands of gas or electric for water heating, reducing carbon emissions and energy costs. For those familiar with commercial plumbing, there is a clear opportunity to upskill and add the technology to their range of services. Planning is key for solar thermal installations. As drainback technology relies on gravity flow, the solar collectors must be sited a minimum of 50 centimetres above the top coil connection to the system cylinder, and all vessels in an array must be level with a maximum pitch of 0 to 1 centimetre over the total length of the drainback assembly. This means solar thermal systems will need to be situated on the roof or facade of a building. Collector mounting, pitch and direction are set by the building and can be built on or into the roof, mounted on the building's facade, or erected on an A-frame on a flat or pitched roof or on a wall. The ideal facing direction to maximise insulation is south with a 36-degree pitch. A building with an east-west split will demand 2 coils since the drainback vessels will not be level. Built-on or built-in arrangements will support a single or double array of collectors. A flat roof gives the option of many more. The other major consideration when installing collectors is the wind loading affected by altitude, height, topography and layout of adjacent structures. Collectors which are built on or in the roof must be bolted into position. But for A-frame installations, extra care needs to be taken since wind loading will be significantly higher. Talk to Adveco about solar thermal design, system supply and installer training today.